Hello, welcome to my channel, The Forbidden Fruit. You can record audio in audio-specific tools like GarageBand, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, and others. You have more control over them to enhance them. But sometimes you want to record directly in iMovie, like voiceover. There are a few ways you can do that. In the menu, when you drop down Window menu, you will see Record Voiceover. Select it, or in the keyboard just press letter V. You can also press the microphone icon at the left corner. You can select that too. When you look at the viewer window, the play button controls will change to red record button. Now you have the red record button on. Right of the red record button, you see the sound control icon. When you press it, it will show the options. You can select the input source there. You can use the built-in microphone or an external microphone. You can set the input volume to low or high. Then normally you don't want your project play the sound to interrupt your recording, so you check the mute project. Sometimes iMovie might ask, iMovie would like to access the microphone. Click OK. Now when you are ready, press the red button. It's going to show 3 red buttons with beep sounds. Get ready, and after the last beep, start talking and record. Once you are done, you can press the red button again, or you can press the space bar. It will stop the recording. You can subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.